Hi, history students. I am going to send you an example of an essay that I am writing at the moment. And I hope that by sending you this example, it will make you understand what you need to do for your essay more clearly. And some of you may have written your essay already, and you can look at this, my essay, and get some ideas about how to change your one. Today I will send you the literature review, and then the next couple of days I'll send the other sections to you as I write them. The topic of my essay is something called Turan Vag, and that just means kind of these kind of landscapes that are not fully designed. Okay, these kind of places that maybe don't have complete design. But you don't need to worry about the topic of my essay. You can just read the way I structure it and write it. So for example, I've got the literature review, and I've got kind of like an introduction to my literature review, and where I tell you the 3 ideas that I'm going to talk about. And then here I have the 3 ideas. 1, 2, 3. And I talk about each one. And then at the end I have a little summary of the literature review, where I say what I talk about the 3 ideas again, and I say what I'm going to do in the next part of the essay. If you've finished your literature review and you did a different structure to this, that's okay. But this might, for example, you might not have structured your 3 points like this. That's okay, but you can read my one and you might get some idea about the structure. So this writing is not about your topics. I'm just sending you this as an example. So I would not expect you to take any of the words from here and quote me. This is just an example of what I want you to do for your topic. So don't get confused about this word Turan Vag. That's for you, that's like modernism or land art. This is my topic, not your topic. And you can just read this as an example of a literature review. And you can see I've put in here the references, for the references that go inside the writing. So the year and the page number, or this format here, the author, the year, the page number. If I use the author's words exactly, I have a quote. That's when I use the author's words exactly. Like this is when I paraphrase. I'm paraphrasing the author. Okay, so I'll send this to you and the video, and in the next couple of days I'll send you my writing on my project and my discussion and my introduction and conclusion and my reference list. I think it would be helpful to you to see an essay. I also want you to format your essay using, everyone can use the same font. Let's use this one here. Calibri Body. And use 12. The size, make it 12. Okay. For the main heading, I make it 14 and bold. For the small heading, I keep it at 12, but make it bold. And the other thing is this one here. This one is about the line spacing. We can make that 1.5. Okay, I'll send this to you, and in the next days I'll send you more parts of my essay.